The rise of artificial intelligence (AI) and automation has the potential to impact various job sectors and render certain job roles obsolete. While it is difficult to predict the exact extent and consequences of AI-driven job displacement, here are some areas where AI could potentially lead to job loss or transformation: manufacturing and assembly line workers. AI-powered robots and automation systems can perform repetitive and routine tasks more efficiently and accurately than human workers. This could lead to a reduction in the need for manual labor in manufacturing and assembly line processes. Transportation and delivery drivers. With the development of self-driving vehicles and drones, there is a possibility that certain driving and delivery jobs may be replaced by autonomous systems. Customer service and call center employees. AI chatbots and virtual assistants can handle basic customer inquiries and support, potentially reducing the need for human customer service representatives in certain scenarios. Data entry and administrative roles. AI algorithms and optical character recognition (OCR) technology can automate data entry tasks, reducing the demand for manual data entry clerks and administrative personnel. Retail workers. The integration of AI-powered systems, such as self-checkout kiosks and automated inventory management, could impact the number of jobs in the retail sector, including cashiers and stockroom staff. Financial and accounting professionals. AI algorithms and machine learning models are increasingly being utilized for tasks such as data analysis, risk assessment, and financial forecasting. This may affect certain roles within the finance and accounting fields. Healthcare diagnostics. AI-powered diagnostic tools and image analysis systems have shown promise in assisting medical professionals with interpreting medical scans and test results. While they enhance efficiency and accuracy, they may reduce the need for certain diagnostic roles. However, it is important to note that while AI and automation may lead to job displacement in certain areas, they can also create new job opportunities. The implementation of AI technology often requires human expertise in areas such as AI programming, data analysis, system maintenance, and ethical considerations. Additionally, the advancement of AI may lead to the emergence of entirely new industries and job sectors that we cannot foresee at present. Therefore, while some jobs may be disrupted, new avenues for employment and skills may emerge in the evolving job market. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Take care and goodbye.